Okay, this is on that same Cadillac. And notice side to side, this one actually is doing okay. But when we check top and bottom movement, we've got play. So when you have top and bottom movement like that, you're checking ball joints. Nope, that's not moving. There's another ball joint down here. Nope, that's not moving. So it's actually, let's see if I can get to where you can see this. Nah, you can't really see it on the camera, but if it's got up and down movement like that, and it's not the two ball joints, then it's the wheel bearing that's got play in it. So on this car, we're doing a tie rod end on that side and a wheel bearing on this side.